Let us walk through this commercial project. So we are currently standing in this space, what's going to be the reception room. And this is basically the waiting area. Come on in. So this is the first hallway that goes to the patient rooms, yes. So we're going to have how many, like 7 or something? It will be one patient room. Second room. This one is bigger, this one is smaller, and one hallway. ADA compliance. So you basically have one hallway, the reception that way, and you have reception rooms in this and this portion. So as you can see, this one you can go through, and if you go through this one, you go to another hallway, which leads to the parking lot. Here is the connection, so you can go through this patient room and another hallway. This is gonna be the restroom, correct? Yep. Here will be the restroom. It was smaller, it was like this size, half, and we extended this a little bit so it became ADA compliance. And this is like room for workers, yes?
Is the office, yeah.
Office, yeah. So they can work here, and they have a separate exit to the outside. So here you have like a few parking spaces. This building, if you can come here and see this building. Previously it was, you can see that's one entrance, second entrance, and third entrance. So it's basically were like 3 different spaces, 3 different like types of projects here. It was like bakery, this was massage salon, and hair salon. And these two we combined, we removed the wall in between, and now it's just one medical office space. This project is underway right now, but later on we'll finish it and we'll make another video, so you can watch this video here somewhere once this project will be completed.